Hi everyone, it's midweek and I'm a bit poorly. I'm off work and I decided I wanted to film this video, I think for a couple of reasons. I think when you see me at weekends making myself up, you must think, well, she looks fine to me. And I think disability, when you live with a chronic disability, you become not very good at showing people the downside, showing people what it's like, warts and all. And I'm very guilty of that. And also I think social media encourages that in all of us, whether we're disabled or not. It's kind of showing our good side, but not actually showing the bad times, showing the difficult times. So yeah, it is midweek. I'll probably put this in a clip on one of my weekend videos. But I just wanted to kind of show you what the downside is. So I've had to just recently up some medication to get on top of my chronic pain, and the medication is causing rotten side effects. It's making me feel like a zombie, and I'm just going to zoom in. Can you see my eye? I'm sure you can already notice it before, but it's all swollen up, and it looks like I'm almost allergic to the medication. My eyes have been constantly streaming. I feel totally disorientated and not very well at all. And I'm not doing this for sympathy. I'm just doing it to show you the other side of, you know, you see all these glamorous looks and you see me making myself up and saying hello and welcome back to my channel. And it's not the whole of me. And that's me putting on a front. It's me putting on my face to the world. But also I wanted to show you this to explain to you why makeup is so important to me. Now, I haven't got any energy today to put on makeup. You know, I just barely had energy to cleanse my face. And I really had to kind of get myself worked up just to cleanse my face this morning. But if I did put makeup on, it would allow me to go out and feel a little bit more human. And that's why makeup is so important to me, because it enables me to feel a little bit more human on days when actually the things that you can't see, the pain, the side effects of drowsiness or side effects of feeling a bit disorientated are kind of taking their toll. But I wanted you to see this today because I think you can see on my face, you can see that my face is swollen, you can see that my eyes are swollen, you can see what it really is like. And I think we're all visual creatures. And that's why I'm so passionate about makeup and about makeup for people with disabilities, because I know when I put my face on, it gives me a lift. It makes me feel, yep, I'm back on form. I can kind of take on the world, even if underneath things are still not quite right. And yeah, you know, I could, if I wanted to, which I'm not going to today, I could probably find a way to cover up that swollen eye and make it look a bit more normal, for want of a better word. Although I'm not going to, because I really can't be bothered. And that for me is an indication of how bad it is today. Anyway, service will be resumed shortly, I'm sure, and you'll get the bright and chirpy, hi everyone, I'm back. But I just wanted to show you the other side, really, so that people that are going through the same similar experiences watching me don't think, yeah, well, she's very chirpy, that's all well and good, but I'm not. There are days that are like that for me too, and that's why I do what I do on social media, because I do get it, I do understand, and I've lived it with you. So with that in mind, I hope you can join me and you can perhaps gather some tips and things for helping You feel good. Things that other people might see as quite trivial, but when you're going through a chronic condition, they're not trivial. They're very, very important. Okay, I think that's enough for now. I'm going to go and lie down and take it easy, and I will see you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.